guys, welcome back to my channel. How's it going? I hope everybody is well. Today we are testing out some makeup that I was very kindly sent by this company. They emailed me and said they liked my channel and they'd launched a cruelty free indie brand makeup line and they wanted to send me some stuff to test. This company is Trading Mekka. I did unbox all this in my vlog, which I'll link up there. But yeah, they sent me all these bits, which is so lovely of them. I have used one of the lipsticks. I haven't used anything else yet, so I'm super excited to try them. We've got an eyeshadow palette, 2 liquid lipsticks, and a cream contour corrector palette. So I've primed my face with my e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer, and we're going to do some colour correcting to start with. You can see there's 16 different shades, and we've got a couple of colour correctors up here, and then we've got highlight and contour. So we're just going to go in. I will get their website up quickly and tell you how much this costs, and then we're going to get it on my face and see how it performs. You get a really nice big mirror in this one, which is awesome. So yeah, let's have a look. Okay, I've got some brushes and I'm on the Trading Mekka website, and this retails for $29. I'll put it on the screen how much it is in pounds, but it basically says limited edition pro cream conceal and contour is an intuitive 16 shade palette that works for all skin tones from dark, medium, olive to fair. Creamy blendable formula melts perfectly into the skin, making any blemish or skin flaw disappear into thin air. So I'm going to do a little bit of the green just on my cheeks, and I'm going to do a little bit of the sort of orangey one just under my eyes to try and hide a little bit of the darkness under my eyes. So I'm going to go first into the green. And I've just got a little, this is just an eyeshadow brush, it's just the only one I could find. I'm going to just pop a little bit of this on my cheeks. Obviously I'm going to put foundation over the top of this, and then we'll contour on top of that. There's no smell to it. I've had some cream contour kits where I've tried to use it and the smell has been so overpowering, but there's no smell to this. These are cruelty free. I'm just gonna tap that out with a damp sponge. I'm gonna go into the peachy one. I'm just gonna pop this under my eyes. Okay, I'm going to chuck some foundation on, and then we'll come back and we'll start to use the palette for contour and highlight. Got my foundation on. I just used my Ordinary Colours Serum Foundation, and this has, like, this is really light coverage, and you can see the redness underneath is gone because the green has obviously corrected it. So yes, I'm happy with that. And then you've got a variety of highlight and contour shades. And concealer shades. I think I'm going to use this one. I'm going to try it as my under eye concealer, which I never do. I normally just use like one of my stick concealers or one of my liquid ones, but I'm going to attempt this and see. Well, that looks okay. This is the lightest one in the palette, so if you're fairer than me and want like super light, you might not, oh, it might not be light enough, but that for me, oh, I really like that. It does say that like you can mix the colours, obviously, like if there's not your exact one, you can like just pick and choose and mix them together till you find the one that you like. Actually, I did think like $29. I thought it was quite expensive, but then I thought, well, I don't know how much product you get in each one of these. 0.7 ounces in each one. How much is in a normal concealer? Oh, so in this you've got 6.8 ml, which is 0.2 ounces. And this is 0.07, so it's less product than a traditional one, but you have got 16, so I think that's quite good. And I've just realised I haven't blended out this concealer yet, and I'm just sat chatting. I'm happy with that. Right, contour now. I don't really know what to go for. I should probably swatch a couple. Like, initially I'm drawn to like this one. That, I don't really know. I want a cool toned. But that's just a selection, so you can see there is a different array of colours. I'm not really sure what one I'm going to go for yet. I think maybe I'm going to go between this one here and this one. I'm just going to like dip in. My last experience of cream contour was not good, so I'm hoping that this is better. And I'm just going to start to and I don't know how long this is gonna take before it starts to set, so I'm just gonna blend it out. Ooh. Alright, I'm gonna set my face and then we'll come back and play with the eyeshadow. Okay, my face is set and I've just put some Hyaluron's on the top. I really like the finish. Doesn't feel heavy or anything, which I was a little bit worried about because I can't remember what one I tried before, but I tried a cream contour kit and it just felt greasy on my face. But this, like you can see, it's not greasy, it doesn't feel heavy or anything, and I've just added some highlight as well. So we're going to go into the eyeshadow palette. This is called the Insomniac palette and it is $23.99. These are quite small little pans. Let me get a palette out for comparison. This is my Too Faced Natural Love palette and you can see sort of the size difference. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we've got 21 shades. I have swatched. I've been playing with them and swatched them. I haven't put them on my eyes yet. I think I'm going to go for something more like purpley than I normally do, just because then it's out of my comfort zone. Because like this whole top row is just like a little bit of me, and this colour here is like perfect. But I'm just going to go into something different today. So to start off with, I'm going to go into this. What do you look like on a swatch? Just kind of like a mauvey, dusky mauve colour. I'm going to go between this one and this one, just tap in there. And there's no mirror, that's not my favourite, but it's not the end of the world because I've got other mirrors. Oh, this is really pretty, these two colours. Okay, I'm just zooming in a little bit. I've got those two colours just blended over like into my crease. They're really nice, there's no fallout. I'm now going to go into this slightly more deeper plummy colour. And again, just put that on the outer corner and then into the crease a little bit lower. This is completely out of my comfort zone. Also being that close is completely out of my comfort zone. Because I always feel like I just look like I've been punched when I wear purple eyeshadow. But Okay, I've got the darker purple on. Now the only darker colours I've got left now, all the purples are shimmers. The only other dark one I've got is a black, which I'm a little bit scared to use. I'm just trying to decide what purple I want to use. I kind of want to use this. Yeah, that's going on my lid. That is going on my lid. Yes. I'm going to get a brush to do this so that I can be a little bit more precise. Oh, I love that colour. I never wear this colour. I never wear purples. I really like that. Oh, it's pretty. I'm going to do now. I think I'm going to get the slightly deeper shimmer. Just on the other side of that brush. Like this one just here. And pop that right on the edge. Just to deepen up that corner a bit. And there was fallout with that one, but that is normal. I really, really like this. Oh, yes I do. Okay, I'm going to do the under eye with those first 3 colours I used. I'm going to put these on and then get some mascara and we're going to start on the lips. Okay, I've got some mascara on. I really, really love the eye look. It has properly changed my mind about purples on me, to be honest. Let's just hide my hoover. There we go. Yeah, they blended really easily. I really like them. So yeah, let's get on to the lipsticks. The 2 colours that I was sent was pumpkin and spice. We've got pumpkin and spice. I'll just swatch them. I'm not sure either of these are going to go with the look that I've done today, but we're going to try them anyway. We'll show you anyway. I've worn them anyway and I really like them. So you've got pumpkin and spice. So I'm probably going to go for this one. I'm probably going to go for spice, which is the one I wore yesterday. I really, really like it. I will just put pumpkin on to show you what it looks like on the lips. These are $18 each. Okay, so this is pumpkin. I absolutely love it. It's a little bit kind of orangey coral with a bit of pink. It's a very unique colour. I haven't seen a colour the same as this. I really like it. I did wear spice all day. And I think I had it on for like 7 hours without reapplying before it started to sort of deteriorate in the middle. So they are long wear and they're really comfy. So yeah, that is pumpkin. Let me wipe it off and I'll put spice on. Okay, I did barely let that dry and you can see already they are super hard to remove without like an oil. I was just using a baby wipe. Okay, so that is spice on. That's what I'm going to wear for the day, I think. I don't really feel like I need a lipstick on with this eye look, but I really like it. I'm really surprised by the contour kit, to be honest. I wasn't expecting to like that, but I really do. It was super easy to blend and has restored my faith in cream contour. As I said, they are cruelty free. I'll link it all down below. I think shipping is, you have to spend £30 UK to get free shipping. So yeah, they've got lots of things. There's other colours. Some of the lipsticks just look beautiful. There's a purple one called Windy, which just looks stunning. And then they've got lip balm and they've got lots of stuff. So I'll link it down below. You guys can head on over and have a look. Thank you so much to Trade in Mekka for sending me these things. I really, really like them. And yeah, if you guys like these kind of videos, give this one a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.